Alright, you guys. Sorry that's upside down. But here we have our Galaxy fan with a plastic motor. I think that's my model number E20739. Type 1. Let me see, 2.2 amps. Made before me. 1981 through 1982. There's another something right there. I don't know what that is. Alright. And here we have our plastic motor Galaxy. We're going to start with this one, and then we'll progress. Got something with some plastic and brown blades that you guys might want to see. Oh, just a little sneak peek. Infamous plastic motor. Plastic. I wonder what they were thinking. I mean, it's held up over 40 years, but still, plastic motors? Really? Alright. I need to scoot back some. Okay. Like this brown badge. Looks like it's curling up though. With the big knob. That's nice. Let's start her up on low. I do love that hub too. For some reason, those hubs remind me like of a jack-o'-lantern. I guess because it's like how the eyes are shaped, maybe. I don't know. But that's what they've always reminded me of. You probably couldn't hear that start up over all the fish tanks bubbling. This fan has a lovely quiet low. I could definitely run that on medium. That's like perfect. That would put me right to sleep. Got the slightest motor whine. Nice air sound. Oh yeah. Alright, let's crank her up to high. These fans haven't been touched in a while, so yeah, that was a quick spin down. I'll have to get some oil in there. Excuse me, you guys want to be part of the video? Oblina? Come here, girl. You want to say hi? No, Junebug wants to say hi. Okay. Alright. Thanks for interrupting, you guys. Now move. Alright, let's get some startup sounds. Hopefully with no more growling in the background. Medium had a really nice startup sound, but I'm starting on low first. Even for a plastic blade fan, I do like the way this looks from the back. I'm not liking that spin down. Straight to high. Alright, you guys. It's one of my early 80 Galaxies with a plastic motor. I just can't get over the fact that they made fans with plastic motors. I mean, if this one wasn't so well maintained, I wonder if it would have lasted this long. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys. Tune in next for the brown one.